annual Christmas on Main has become a Christmas tradition for Waverly. A local farm is helping some families develop their own Christmas memories.
But Kris Kringle's isn't just any farm, it's a tree farm. This week I found out how they spread holiday joy each year. S'mores, Santa, and of course, Christmas trees. Each year, right before the holiday season, Kris Kringle's tree farm comes alive. And the owner of the farm says it provides the perfect atmosphere to get into the Christmas spirit.
You know, we have Santa Claus here. It's a choose and cut farm. And then we also have some pre-cuts. With our warming shed, we have the fire pit and kind of a very family-oriented side of things there, where we kind of make it an experience instead of just a quick outing.
This experience is what draws one customer into coming back each year.
The atmosphere, I think, and it just makes me feel like an old-time Christmas, you know, homey.
Business tends to pick up after November, but the preparation for the tree farm begins far earlier than that.
You know, we plant about 6,000 to 8,000 Christmas trees in the spring, and then you have the shearing of the trees, which you actually shear and shape every tree that for the next 7 years until it's cut.
Mound says they usually sell 1,100 to 1,300 trees a year. But he says the 2008 flood led to the loss of 6,000 to 8,000 trees, and the drought in recent years killed anywhere from 10,000 to 13,000. However, despite this loss of trees, Mound still encourages all to come out and pick their perfect tree in the upcoming weeks.
For especially people with young families, it's an experience, it's a tradition. Year after year, you know, you make that gathering and you go out and you kind of make the memories on that end.
I mean, you come out here, it's warm, it's nice to be able to come out into the country and see what it's about. So it's a fun time to be able to cut down yourself and not have to have a fake tree all the time.
But Mound says the trees are going quick. The farm will be open weekdays 1 to 5 and this weekend from 9 to 5 both days, as long as supplies last. And he promises a family outing that will not disappoint.
It's pretty hard to beat seeing families gather. Everybody's always in a good mood. It's hard to find a person that's not in a good mood when it comes to getting their Christmas tree.
The farm is located right off Highway 218 outside of Cedar Falls.
Mound says the farm sells Scotch pine, white pine, and Fraser fir trees.
The Scotch pines sell for $35, the white pine for $45, and the Fraser firs are $55.